Animated video used to require a full production team. Hypernatural just changed that math completely. No design budget, no editors, no 3-week production timeline, one idea, one platform, and a finished animated video waiting at the end. I am going to walk you through the entire workflow right now. I am Paul James. On this channel, we talk about tools for solo operators and freelancers. These are tools that let you compete at a level that used to require a full team. Drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Here is the real problem with video production for most freelancers. Clients want animated content. They see it everywhere and they want it done well. When you look at what traditional production actually costs, the numbers fall apart fast. You are either hiring a motion graphics team or you are walking away from the project. Most freelancers end up doing one or the other. Neither option builds a real business. Hypernatural AI is the tool that closes that gap. The framework I use with this tool is what I call the one seed production stack. Here is the core idea behind it. You start with one seed, one product, one concept, one idea. You plant that seed inside Hypernatural, and the platform builds a full production around it. Characters, visual style, narration, music, scene structure, and motion all come from that one starting point. No project management chaos to navigate, no coordinating multiple contractors, one seed, one workflow, one finished animated video at the end of it. That is the production model that makes sense for a freelancer building a real service offer. Here is where things get interesting. The first step inside Hypernatural is bringing your product into the platform. You upload reference images of the product, you give it a name, the platform then locks that product into every scene it generates going forward. That consistency used to require a dedicated motion graphics team. It used to mean days of revision cycles before anything looked right. Now it happens in the setup phase before a single scene is even created. You are solving the consistency problem before it ever has a chance to start. Once your product is in the system, you describe the video you want in plain language. You tell Hypernatural the tone, the audience, and the overall feeling you are going for. The platform takes that and builds a full script with narration already written. A voice is assigned from a library of options. A visual style is selected for you. A complete scene-by-scene storyboard is generated and ready for your review. You are not starting from a blank canvas. You are starting from a structured first draft that is already most of the way there. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. The built-in editor lets you refine individual scenes before committing to motion. If a particular frame is not quite right, you can reprompt just that scene. Adjust the action, the framing, the details. Everything stays inside one platform. There is no jumping between applications or sending notes to a separate editor. The refinement loop inside Hypernatural is tight and it keeps the entire production under your direct control. The style system inside Hypernatural is more flexible than most people expect. You can go photorealistic for product ads and local business campaigns. You can go anime, 8-bit, or bioluminescent for a completely different visual personality. That range matters when your client list is not uniform. One week you are producing an animated campaign for a fitness brand. The next week it is a visual explainer for a service business. Hypernatural handles both without requiring you to switch platforms or relearn a workflow. That is real operational leverage for a solo operator. Most people never realize this part. The character system inside Hypernatural keeps your selected character visually identical across every single scene. You build or select a character one time, that same character appears in every frame without variation. No feature drift between scenes, no inconsistency breaking the visual flow. Polished animated content looks produced. That distinction matters when you are charging professional rates for your output. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Once you are satisfied with how your scenes look, you trigger full motion inside Hypernatural. The platform animates every scene in one pass, real movement across the frame, genuine emotion in the character, visual life that flat static images never carry on their own. The finished sequence is a dramatic step up from what you started with. Clients feel that upgrade right away. That level of output is what justifies the price point you set for the service. I remember how overwhelming video production felt when I was just starting out. I was building this thing from my brother's garage with almost nothing to work with. Every deliverable that required animation meant either a steep learning curve or money leaving the business. Hypernatural compresses that entire production workflow into something a single person can actually manage. That kind of leverage is something I genuinely needed back then. The tools did not exist, the workflow did not exist. Now both of them do, and the barrier to entry is a free plan. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Now, let me break down what the income side looks like for this tool. The most direct service you can build is an animated content package for local businesses. Most small business owners know they need short form video content. Very few of them have any realistic path to producing it at a reasonable cost. You use the one seed production stack inside Hypernatural to build them a monthly package, product highlight reels, promotional ads, brand story content in 15 to 30-second formats. You charge a monthly retainer and deliver polished output. That is a real service with real margin behind it. Pricing is worth thinking about here too. A local business owner who wants this content usually pays hundreds of dollars per video. Traditional production is expensive. You are delivering the same quality at a fraction of the cost and time. The margin on that retainer is strong when your production overhead is this low. That combination of speed, quality, and low cost is where the business model actually works. Here is where things get wild. The character consistency feature inside Hypernatural opens up a completely different service line. You position it as a brand mascot service. You build a recurring animated character that represents the client's brand identity. That character shows up in every video the client publishes. Over time, it becomes recognizable across their entire audience. It builds visual equity that ties their content together. Clients understand what that kind of ongoing consistency is worth. They will pay to maintain it every single month. Think about what Hypernatural does to your new client pitch process as well. Most freelancers bring a portfolio to a sales meeting. That is standard. Now picture walking in with a sample animated ad built around the prospect's actual product. You pull their images, you spend 20 minutes inside Hypernatural. You walk into that first meeting with proof built around their brand specifically. That is a different kind of conversation. Proof closes deals in a way a portfolio alone never does. This is where everything clicks. Picture a freelancer managing content for a group of e-commerce brands. They use Hypernatural as the production engine behind their animated content service. A client sends a product brief on Tuesday morning. A polished first draft is ready for review that same afternoon. No outside editors involved, no subcontractor timelines to track, no revision delays pushing everything back by a week. The entire output runs through one repeatable workflow built around the one seed production stack. Their clients believe there is a full creative team behind the scenes. What they actually have is a smart system and one well-chosen tool running inside it. The leverage is the point here. It is not just about producing content faster, it is about what speed makes possible for your entire service model. You stop pricing your time per deliverable. You start packaging output into retainer-based offers. Production cost stays low, output quality stays high. Those two things working together are what changes the kind of business you are actually running. Hypernatural has a free plan to start with. Testing this costs you nothing. You do not need a paid commitment to see what the workflow can do. Spend 20 minutes building one project on the free plan. Watch how the one seed production stack moves from concept to finished animated video. See exactly where this fits in your service offer before you spend anything. Imagine what the next 30 days look like once this is running inside your workflow. A client asks for an animated product video. You deliver it the same day. A client wants a brand character for their social content calendar. You have a first draft ready before the end of the week. Every service that used to feel out of reach becomes a standard part of your offer. Hypernatural gives a solo operator production capabilities that used to belong exclusively to full agencies. That is the shift worth paying close attention to right now. The window where this is still a differentiated skill is open. Solo operators and freelancers who build around it now will have a real edge. That edge closes the longer people wait. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income.